Hey everybody, welcome back to the Basically Soap channel. I'm Mia and I am the owner and founder of Basically Soap. So in this video, I just wanted to talk a bit about my soap making classes just to give you a bit more insight on what you receive and what you'll be doing. So you will be customizing your own nourishing soap bars that you make yourself, just like these. So this will be what your soap bars look like. It may not be the exact color or fragrance. These are two different batches. This is lavender. Not quite sure. I think this is amber romance. So you will be customizing your soap bars. So you can add embeds. I will bring embeds. You will have different colorants to choose from. And I bring a lot more colorants. I bring it depends on the size, and I like to bring at least 2 to 3 of the same color, just in case people want the same color. But I try to bring at least like 8 colorants so that people have a variety and they don't feel like they're just, have to stick to certain colors. And you'll be making your soap bars in this silicone mold. I provide you with measuring beakers. I do 2 in case you want to do 2 different colors or a swirl or something like that. So I like to bring something, like I said, you're customizing it. I want you to have a variety of choices for your soap bar. These are the additives that I provide. My tapioca starch, rice flour, and tapioca starch that helps to anchor the fragrance into your soap bars. That is really good for your soap to have a fragrance that lasts for years and years. Rice flour is a good exfoliant and it helps with cell regeneration as well as sunburn areas. And colloidal oatmeal, my favorite. This is so soothing to the skin. Irritation, inflammation, this is what people buy. This is the main ingredient in the Alvino bath soap. This is all they put in there. Your lye will come in a container like this. This is a HDPE polypropylene container, chemical safe, and it will be pre-made and it comes in a container like this. As well as your fragrances. And this one is Comfort Joy. I have them little labels on them. And I have already have this like pre-measured because I'm having a class actually come up. And not only that, I supply an apron, full body. Always supply vinegar because you want to be safe with dealing with lye, and this neutralizes the lye. And last but not least, your immersion blender. I supply these. And no, you can't take this home, but I will show you how to use them. I will also bring other utensils like spatulas and whisks that you can use for stirring if you don't want to use your immersion blender, because sometimes you don't need to use it as much as you may think you need to use it, especially if you're doing swirls in different colors. You want time to work with your soap. So follow me on Eventbrite, Instagram, Facebook. You should subscribe to my YouTube channel and my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. And yes, so you'll get all of these things supplied to you, and you will be taking home this silicone mold with your 6 bars nicely snuggled in there.